In this video, I will show you how to create a subdomain with your Spaceship domain. First of all, you need to log into your Spaceship account. Then you need to click all products in the menu, and in the left menu, choose domains. After that, you need to look at the right side menu and go to Domain Manager. Right here, you will see your domain name. You need to click on it and you will open this right side menu right here. Then choose Name Servers and DNS and select Advanced DNS. And now we need to scroll down, and to create the subdomain, we need to add a record. So click on Add Record, choose a record. For example, I will create a blog for my domain, so I will write blog. In the type, we need to have a, and in the value, we need to write our server, our host IP address. Then click Add, and we will create subdomain on Spaceship domain. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.